check this out. I'm very excited about this. So even though behind me I don't have a ton of books, I have a handful over here. I'm actually an avid reader, love reading books. And one of the things I've seen recently on some social media sites is like the miniature bookstores that you can put inside of here just to kind of dress up your bookshelf. And that's what I have here, except it doesn't come finished. I get to build it. This is made by Prextex. This is the DIY nestled Nook is what they call it, but it is a miniature bookstore that I'm gonna be able to put on my bookshelf here. And just to kind of give you an idea into it, as you can see, it is all cut from mostly wood and plastic. It is highly detailed. They give you all the tools that you are going to need to take part in this. Man, check that out. The fake plants and all of the things that you will need for your bookstore to come alive. Man, those vases, it's got so many cool little details. And then it will end up being about 9.5 inches tall. Let me show you that's kind of what the end result looks like. It's 9.5 inches tall, about 9.5 inches long, and about almost 7 inches in depth. And it has real lighting on the inside. So there's like a little battery pack that's hidden behind there so that you actually have some warm glowing light from it. I am so looking forward to this project. Also, one of the neat things it comes with, as you can see here, is highly detailed stickers as part of it. So as you dress up your bookstore, it is going to look so realistic once it's all said and done. I am actually super excited about this project. I'm going to have a lot of fun with it, and before you know it, you're going to see it in some more videos behind me right here on my bookcase. Look, if you are looking for one of those nice, those little miniature sets that you're seeing in a lot of bookcases on social media, check this one out. I think you're going to love it, especially if you like to craft or you're a DIYer. Check it out. It's made by Prextex.